Okay. In my previous video, I shared with you the genesis of my village trip from Accra, the capital, to Oluahai, a village beyond mountain after Klo Agogo in the eastern region of Ghana. See the link in the description below. Now, in this video, I share what else transpired on the first day of my exciting trip. It's tradition. When you come home, first thing, give you water to drink. After taking my water, I had something else in mind. Let's go check out the rabbits. Yeah, look at that. The rabbit is hiding. There's another one. They're so cute, huh? Finally, Titi got all three of them into this basket, and I had a closer look. Where they come from? So getting ready to change to go to the farm. I changed my clothing, so I need to wear some long to get ready for the farm and use the insect repellent, mosquito repellent. Because the last time I was here, some insects did justice to me, and so I'm trying to see if this can help prevent them. Right? So let's see if this is going to work. See if it will work. Experiment. I'm going to change into some long sleeves. Dressing up for the farm to keep every side covered. Socks. Right, your boy is all strapped, ready to go to farm. So I'm going to the farm with T. Hey, T, here daddy, I'm daddy. See, I'm going to farm without cutlass. They had to remind me that I need a cutlass. Alright. Ready for the farm. Farmer of the year. So we're going to the farm.
taking the squad to the farm, although I don't know the place. But it's easier, so no yawa. Drizzling.
On our way, we met someone returning from his farm and Titi had to assist him. The village is one of the places where neighborly love thrives. Maybe basically because everyone knows everyone. When we got to this place where a tree had fallen across the path, we took advantage to take some pictures and then continue.
We are definitely up on a hill.
At this point, I was asking myself, how much longer? Because
Look here.
I was so tired.
Up on a hill. Look at the house. It's way over there. Over there.
But I had to maintain composure because even the young ones were pushing on.
Look at where we are. Up the hill. Guys, this landscape is massive. Look.
Finally, we got to the farm. That's my old boy right there. And my first line of action was to locate the roasted maize.
Advantages of coming to the farm.
We then got to work in two groups. Young Agatha and myself. The first group, the dehuskers, and Dad and Titi, the harvesters. For hours, we worked.
So I'm here with Agatha, the husking, and Dad is somewhere in the farm with Titi, bringing more of this. So for someone like me who who has been in the city almost the whole year, this is a good getaway. To get to experience more of life, you know. The breeze, the breeze is so good here. And it's nice doing something different from the usual. Today is a Saturday, and my normal day would have been perhaps a wedding, attending a wedding in the morning, or a funeral in the morning. And when there are none of those, I may be in the house, probably on my laptop, watching a movie, or just in bed till, say, later in the day around 3 p.m. where I'd leave the house to go for music ministry rehearsals, to prepare towards church service tomorrow, the Sunday. So for this weekend, that's not going to be it. I'm here on the farm at the village with Pops. We're just spending some time together, harvesting, the hard work they did months ago. Then experiencing the village life, appreciating life more, getting to spend time with people like Agatha here and see over there. So there's way more to life than we know. Doing one thing all the time may limit you or put you in a box when it comes to life and all the experiences it has to offer. So my advice would be that you be open-minded and keeping yourself up to different experiences outside of your comfort zone, where you think it's your comfort zone. Who knows what you might find, you know. You may enjoy that new adventure and realize that, oh, there's been a lot I've been missing out of.
And then I got to see an animal that the tribe around the farm caught.
This man.
I don't know its English name, but
Grass.
it's called
Learn
ajile
of cat.
in our
Grass
local
cat ajino lumino. Me, I don't know.
dialect.
So a trap got this animal. It looks nice. Look at the fur. Very beautiful. But I'm told it destroys the maize. Chews it. So one of the traps around the farm got it. Yo guys, so we are almost done for today. We are packing. I've got some mango. Advantages of coming to the farm.
Finally, we left the farm and made our way home.
From farm to the house. So we are carrying our farm produce. Guys, it's not easy. Hey, my legs are shaking. Carrying this and climbing. Baby. Yes. Oh my lord, come on. Yo. So the old boy is behind. Whew, it's not easy, car. It's not easy at all. Wow. From the mountain top.
I took my laptop to the village, and so after dinner, I treated the team to a movie. And they decided to watch Air Force One Down.
If you can see me, sorry, but it's night time and I've been reading, but the rest of the team are watching movies. So,
and later we retired to bed. Check out all the videos in my village trip playlist to see more on this exciting trip I took. If you found this video useful, hit the like and subscribe button to support this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.